guys! Welcome to Loves a Lot and join me as I unbox this package from Temp0. Okay guys, excited na ako yung unbox to. Alam niyo ba, 2 months of waiting itong package na to ha. It was actually a gift from a friend, yes. And sobrang thankful ako sa kanya dahil binigyan niya ako nito. So, for someone who doesn't know, Temp0 is a Tumblr brand. I'm not sure if Linwin Kwong is a co-owner or an ambassador of this brand. Pero since yung Tumblr kasi is exclusively designed by Linwin, kaya kung familiar talaga kayo sa Temp0, I'm sure excited din kayo malaman kung naman yung package na to. So, ipopost ko na lang dito or kung ano yung set package na pinili ko. So, let's go. Ingat-ingat na kasi baka natusok ng scissors yung package mismo o yung item. Maalog ba guys? Pasensya nyo na lang. OMG! Isa-isayin natin dahil. So, ito yung free. I think free to dun sa set na pinili ko. Itong paracord handle. Yung handle para to counter. Oh, cute guys! Tignan nyo yung lagayan, no? And yung lagayan na. Ang cute ng case. OMG! At maayos siya dumating guys. Kasi napansin ko dun sa iba. May butas yung ano nila. So, hindi ko alam kung anong ginawa ng customs. Mamaya ako bubuksan. Mamaya natin i-open yan. And, tatlong items pala siya. And, tada! Dito nakalagay yung I'm expecting na nandito yung calendar, yung photo cards, and the keychain. So, sige, ito na unahin. Tada! Nagkanta! OMG! Ayun, designed by Linwin Kwong, guys. Basahin nyo. Gagaling niya magbasa. Wait lang. Ibahin natin yung view. So, thank you everyone for watching this mini vlog. And if you want to see more unboxing videos, please comment below and don't forget to subscribe. Please. Thank you.